Banif Bank Malta, part of the Banif Group, started operations in 2008. How has the local market responded to the bank's products and services?
It has responded the way we were expecting it to do. Bank has very much done its study and its analysis before coming to Malta on the options that the market was leaving for a new operator coming into. So flexibility on the approach to the market, the innovation on the quality of the products, and also the quality of the service to be passed to the final consumer was something that took our major diligence. Therefore, we believe that we found in Malta a number which is becoming every time more significant of customers which are liking the way we do it, liking the way the bank presents itself, and which are giving the bank the confidence and trust both for its deposit and its credit products.
And despite the uncertain economic climate, you have recorded year-on-year growth.
Well, the bank is starting, so the bank started 3 years ago its operation, so it's expected to grow. But even under the present circumstances, which are not easy for the financial circuits, as you know, the bank has kept levels of growth which were slightly over and above expectations we had. That means that the bank policy and the way we approach it is a way the market has understood. So we believe we're on the right track, and we are sure that very shortly we'll come to the so-called process of full ambientation of the bank to the local economy.
Innovation plays a significant role in your product offering. Indeed, in your corporate strategy, you make reference to the centaur values.
Banif Bank belongs to a group. This group has a symbol, which is the centaur, by itself representing 3 different arguments: the power, the intelligence, and the very high level of rigor on what is being done. So all the group centaurs, and therefore the Banif Bank Malta values also, are indeed approached to these principles. The customer being somebody we want to have a very strong and a very loyal relationship with. The employees, which are our biggest asset and the asset we like to invest more in the bank. And then the full environment where the bank is exposed and is present, which is also a responsibility we assume.
Good corporate governance is more important than ever. What's your approach to governance issues?
I would say corporative governance nowadays is mandatory. A financial institution cannot live without it. So we have principles of governance in Banif Bank Malta, which are probably some of the most sophisticated now in place. But even like that, we are still reporting in a corporative element to the group. So the bank, through different committees, through different approaches, try to have the 4 I's principle all the time in place. The bank tries also on its relationship with the shareholders and with the employees to have a full, transparent relation, and with the market, no doubts that it is a principle we want to keep. Corporative governance nowadays is mandatory, as I said, and is also a good element of improvement.
And how do you view the prospects for growth in Malta in financial services?
We have to look into the future with a lot of hope. As we know, the future is not an easy one. The financial world and the financial markets have changed and things are changing. But from the very first day, we decided that all the problems we could find would be converted into challenges. And challenges bring innovation. Innovation brings opportunity. Opportunity brings business. That is the reason why you are in Malta.
Finally, what's the future outlook for Banif in an increasingly competitive environment?
As I said, competition is something that brings to improvement also. So the competition is one of the main elements that makes the companies and make the different kind of business improve. Banif Bank Malta would like to have more competitors than the ones we have. The local banking system is still a very reduced one. But the competition is improving, the competition is increasing, and the competition is, for us, a permanent challenge to do something better the next day. So we love to be a competitive element, but having the others competing in a daily basis with ourselves. That's the only way the final customer will have the best option.
Joaquim Silva Pinto, thank you.
Thank you very much.